More than 1,600 acres of maize plantations have been heavily destroyed by hailstorms in 6 villages of Kitesa Ward, Ntunda Town Council, Kyankwanzi District. The hailstorms that lasted for 4 hours affected more than 300 households, bean plantations, groundnuts, maize and fruit tree plantations in Bwaise, Mpongo, Kisoro zone and Makindye, among others. Residents in the affected villages are now crying for help from the office of the Prime Minister and other well-wishers.
Kwewunya n'emisota gyafudde kumanya nti muzira gwadde gw'amaanyi, so tukwira gavumenti mulanga nga tuyita ng'akulembeze.
Hailstorms, whereby this is the first hailstorms, their crops are down, their beans are down. That's why we have come out with the idea of calling upon the government to come at least and help these people out of this disaster.
Some of the residents, such as Edith Namulwa, Wilberforce Waiswa and Aisha Nangobi, explained that they had acquired loans from different banking institutions in order to plant maize. They now wonder how they will pay back the money. Amos Champire, another resident, has asked the office of the Prime Minister to provide relief aid to them since they have remained with nothing. He says his family is likely to suffer a lot because they have no food and other basic necessities. The leaders in the villages are appealing to government and other stakeholders to intervene in this condition since the hailstorm has caused a huge loss to the farmers. The LC3 chairperson in Ntunda Town Council, Charles Yapesi, says he has compiled a list of all the people affected that he will submit to the District Disaster Management Committee.
The whole of their gardens were destroyed, so I would request the government through the office of the Prime Minister to just help us and give us a relief because my people are badly off.